Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use your HP Office Pro, the OfficeJet Pro 9012E printer by using your screen. Oh yeah, because you can use your printer not only by using a computer or laptop or something else connected by wire connection with that printer, or you can use the HP smart app or AirPrint or Wi-Fi, etc. No, you can use your printer by using the screen. Yeah. If your HP printer is connected with the internet, connected with the Wi-Fi network, and switched on a power supply, you can use it. You have to complete the setup process before we can use that printer, of course. So what we're going to see is this is a printer, and the printer comes with an LCD or an LED screen, and it's touchable. That means if it is go to black, you can push on it and it will re-enable. And then you are ready to use it by right and left, turn up and down. Here is a question mark. This question mark helps us to with some to-do things. We can now go to the help setup, how to videos, for example, are directly on the printer to see what's going on and how we can perform something. Then we have working smart tips, digital office tips, HP environment tips, product tour, printer demo, and the printer information. Then you can see there is another icons here. That means back. You go to the previous menu, and the center is the home button to go back to the home screen. Then we have here in the center, we have the standard way, shortcuts. Shortcuts are a really cool thing you can make by using your HP Smart app. You can go to shortcuts, and then you are going to use your smartphone, for example, to edit a shortcut. This shortcut for maybe you scan something and then you email it to to your email address. You can enter it here. And if you are going to get enabled by sharing this with your account and with your printer, you can see it here. Really cool. Here we can see email to Pudus. Really cool feature. That means here we can make a new email shortcut, for example. Then we are going to make a with appointment email, but you can choose, should be a copy to my main address or should be a copy not to main address. That means you can create and add accounts to it, make shortcuts, and these shortcuts gives you a speed up in daily work process. Really cool features, I think. And then, of course, we can make copies, documents, ID cards, or photo. For example, documents. Now we can make a copy by using the scanner, the flat scanner on the top of the printer. Here we can make 1 to 1-sided or 1 to 2-sided copies, and so on. We can make print copy in color or in only black. We can choose here a previews, and we can choose 2-sided or 2-sided format, resizes, paper size and type, and of course the quality, lighter, darker, color black, or enhancement, binding margins, safety current settings if you edit something, or you restore the factory defaults. If we now go to copy, here the scanner will work and gives us a copy of the file, what's laying down on the scanner. The same is with ID and photo. There is a resolution higher and a little bit other of the scan method. Then we can go to scan. This is the scan process, and the scan data will be sent to email, network folder, SharePoint, computer, or USB. You can choose. That means you can make a scan and then send it to USB, for example. USB will be a USB connection, like a USB stick. Then it will scan and gives these data to what you like. Photos and fax. Now, photos are the same, view and print, passport photos are possible. And fax modus. Send now, send later, reprint, setup, and phone book. You can choose. These are the main features of that printer, but there are more. If you slide from upside down, as you can see what jobs are now active. Or you go to information. Then you can see the HP OfficeJet Pro 9010 series. This is the printer. You can see the IP address underneath. If I'm going down, you can see the Wi-Fi direct password, and that Bluetooth is enabled and working and something else. We go to the setup process here. We can choose here the preferences, date, time, language, country, keyboard, screen brightness, sound effect volume, extra dry time, store anonymous usage information, print, blah, 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 blah. These are all the setup preferences. We can make a quiet mode. That means it's slower by printing, but it's not so loud. Network setup, Wi-Fi direct setup, the Bluetooth low energy, fax setup, accessibility, cartridge information. That means here you can see the estimate cartridge level and the cartridge low alerts. For example, you can see here the cartridges, all are full nearly. That's good. And here you can make an alert for each cartridge system. That means you can go to custom and choose how many % the fill state will be to get you an information of it. Really cool. So here, cartridge low level, 20% in yellow, for example. Let's switch it back to automatic. Then we have power management, reports, shortcuts, and so on. This is the setup status. The next thing is we swipe from the upper side to the bottom. We go to here. This is the wireless summary. Our IP address, network name, and MAC address, and the host name are as shown here, of course, because our printer is a wireless printer. That means it is a part of our Wi-Fi network. And over the Wi-Fi network, we can enter to it via the internet, for example, and print something cool stuff. Then the next thing is we can go back. And the next thing is here Wi-Fi direct and AirPrint and so on. Then we have here the cartridges. Here we can see the actual level on the cartridges. And there is more, the fax, auto answer, fax logs, fax sound volume, for example. And here we are in environmental settings. The copy output is one-to-one sided, or we can make a two-sided fax printing, sleep mode after 5 minutes, schedule on and off, and the screen brightness you can choose here to make a little bit better environmental setting with that device here. So you can see you can nearly use every possibilities to print something with the HP OfficeJet Pro 9012E printer. Of course, it's the same for the OfficeJet Pro 9010 series printers. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.